Hi, welcome to Hot Rod. My name's Eric Cliff. What you were just listening to was a sample of my new pedal from Hot Rod. I've had a chance to team up with Hot Rod to develop a new line of high-end equipment for all level of guitar players, to which I'm customizing all the effects and the tones for. Today we're showcasing our new pedal, the Reverb Plus EC-1. Now these pedals are all handcrafted right here in the US of A. We use nothing but the best parts that we can find. We use nothing but silver solder in all of our connections. They're very road durable, and you can feel safe about your purchase because they come with a 1-year warranty. Now here at Hot Rod, we've integrated some features we think will set us above from the rest. First of all, having a light. Most pedals have one light to tell you the power is on. Here at Hot Rod, we have decided to put two in. One to tell you that power is on, and it also will go dim when the battery goes dim if you're using your battery portion. And we also have another light here that will tell you that your actual effect is on. So when you're on stage, if you can't see or can't hear, monitor's not quite so good, you can just look down and see your light's either on or off. You'll know your effect is on. It takes all the guesswork on stage. Then we have a true bypass system, because a lot of guitar players don't like some of these pedals because they seem to taint your or color your tone. Your tone is not being affected in any way unless you actually engage the pedal. And then all it will do is add pristine reverb to your tone. It won't color in any way. Now this pedal also comes with optional 9-volt power supply. You can get that, and when you plug it in, you got to plug it in and make sure it's snapped in. Otherwise, you'll be using your battery and not knowing it. Like, the only time the battery drains is when you're actually using the battery portion of it. And now this pedal is actually 3 pedals in one, so you're really getting a quality pedal here. First of all, we've built in a hum filter system into our pedal. So if you have an acoustic guitar, sometimes they have that hum, or say a single coil pickup, sometimes they'll have a hum. This will, in most cases, take 100% of it totally out. I mean, totally. It won't take the buzz away from your amp or say a buzz from a bad chord. It's just hum, low-end hum. The second part of the pedal is it can be a volume pedal. You can use it as a master volume, or just say you want to bump up a lead or something like that. Or you can actually turn it down halfway is about your normal volumes. You could actually turn it down and have a part that's at a lower volume for a special effect or something like that. Or again, as I said, you can use it as a master volume. As for the guitar players that don't have a volume knob on your acoustic, this is especially good for that, because now you can just set your volume halfway, have the sound man and monitor guys set their sound, and now when you're playing, if some reason you can't hear it that quite so good, you have your own volume pedal, master volume here on stage, so you can turn it up, make sure you can hear yourself. Third part is, of course, the pristine reverb. Now I've got 3 custom settings that I put on here: short, medium, and long. Short would be for like a room sound, medium would be say a concert hall, and long would be like an arena. So for the beginner players that don't know how to set pedals so good, I've kind of made it user friendly for you. And for the pros, then you have your mix knob. You can dial in exactly what you want, and it's very accurate. So that's our pedal. I will have some links on the bottom page here. I'll go into each features on acoustic and electric. You can click on them. And for those of you who don't know me, there will be a link there also. You click on to read about me. And remember, you can either have a normal pedal or you can have a Hot Rod.